Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily unblock any contact on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up WhatsApp app. Then get into Settings and select Privacy. On Privacy, you can easily find Blocked. Now you can see that there are 14 contacts. You can tap on that to see all your blocked contacts on WhatsApp. And once you find one you want to unblock, you can just swipe over to the left and then hit Add Unblock. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my WhatsApp tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.